Hey guys, it's Angela, and for today's video I am going to be testing out the Ion Color Brilliance hair color remover. I am going to attempt to remove what's left of my pink, and a lot of you guys have commented to use a color remover, so I picked this up at Sally's. I believe it was $5.29. I got two of them. I'm going to start out with one, and if I need the second, then I will grab the second. So if you want to see what could potentially happen with my hair by using this product, then keep on watching. Okay, so it says on the back of the package, all the instructions are here. This is what the packaging is. That's Joey coughing in the background. It's okay. It just says it says the Ion Color Brilliance Hair Color Remover removes 1 to 3 levels of pigment without lifting natural hair color in one simple step. Helps preserve the integrity of the hair and cannot overprocess. Directions: fill applicator bottle with 4 ounces of room temperature water. Pour crystals into the applicator bottle, shake and dissolve crystals to form a gel, shampoo hair and rinse, section hair and work gel into the hair that needs color removal using maximum pressure of palms and fingertips to ensure saturation. Apply processing cap and expose to heat for at least 15 minutes up to 45 minutes. Remove the processing cap and rinse with warm water and shampoo affected hair thoroughly up to 3 times to remove maximum hair color. So I have removed a ton of the color by doing the bleach wash, so I'm going to hope that this will get rid of the leftover pink. Yeah, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna go follow the instructions. I'm gonna go shampoo and dry my hair, and I will be back to do this part with you guys. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. Alright, so I have washed and towel dried my hair. You are supposed to apply this on damp hair, unlike Color Zap, which goes on dry hair. I actually purchased Color Zap, and to read the instructions for Color Zap, you have to open and tear apart the box. Well, come to find out after I purchased it, you can't use it on demi-permanent or bleached hair, so it was a waste of money. Like, I understand they're trying to save paper and to help the planet, but you should at least put that on the outside of the box so that people don't purchase it thinking they can remove semi or demi-permanent hair color or vivid colors, fashion colors, and then come to find out that that's not the case. Because it says on there that if you use it on bleached hair or anything like that, it could potentially fry your hair, cause breakage. Yeah, so this one is by Ion Color Brilliance, and it's for either or. It's for oxidative and non-oxidative hair color. So the non-oxidative hair colors, I believe, are the direct dyes, like the fashion colors. So, and being that Ion makes fashion colors, I kind of trust their product better than I know some of you are probably cringing by the way I'm brushing my hair right now because it's wet, but I need to part it, and in order to part it and properly get all the knots out, I have to detangle it. So this is what I have to do. But I know I cringed too. It's okay. Anyway, so this should theoretically work. If I can't get, I just stuck my earring out of my ear.
You brushed your earring out of your ear.
Yep. Here, grab it. It's right there. I just brushed the earring out of my ear. Okay, so I do have some growth, but I'm not gonna do my roots yet. I'd rather have roots showing with mostly blonde hair than the pink I have in right now. I'm actually taking a risk using this product right now because I have a very important meeting tomorrow, and I don't want to look like a freak. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. I'm gonna start with the application on the bottom half because the underneath part is what has most of the color still in it. The top layer is very light and faded. Okay, so I just finished putting on some very cheap gloves. As you can see, they've ripped. But whatever, it'll work. Alright, so I have 4 ounces of room temperature water in here as it states on the directions. All right, the gel is in, or the crystals are in there. It looks like
Ew.
vomit.
Wait, the top looks cool, but the bottom looks disgusting.
Yeah, it kind of looks like vomit sitting at the bottom of the toilet.
Ew.
I'm just gonna put the lid on nice and tight, cover it with my finger, and start shaking it up. Oh, this is lumpy.
That's...
Oh, and it's squeezing up. Okay. All right, now we're gonna put this lumpy crazy stuff all over my hair, shall we? All right, so I'm just gonna grab a portion that has a lot of pink, or more pink, and just put it on there what's on my fingers. And I'm just trying to put it right where the dye is. I'm not trying to go any higher. I'm trying to get it massaged in there. This is gonna take a while, but I need to try to remove this for my meeting tomorrow, so. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the, what I lovingly like to call the Mackenzie Marie bleach cap. I'm gonna take off these gloves because they're a slippery mess and I don't feel like getting this stuff all over the outside of the cap. Okay. So this will help retain heat, and it will help just kind of cook all this stuff. So I should have clipped it first before I took off my gloves. But okay, I'm not trying to really get it too close to my scalp, so. Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna let this cook for 45 minutes and I will be back when it's time to rinse. Alright guys, so it has been 45 minutes. I'm gonna go rinse out and I will be back after I'm done. Alright, I have washed my hair out. Let's see what the results are. I honestly don't feel like it did anything. And my hair is still pink. It's still pretty pink. I feel like maybe it's lighter. No. It's the same. It did absolutely nothing. I really had hopes for that brand. I thought because they made fashion colors that they would know how to make a proper remover. But as you can see, my hair is still pink. They had another brand. It was like BTZ or something like that. I might go back and pick that one up. I'm gonna return the second packet that I have of this because it didn't do anything. Yep. And I'm gonna try that one and see if that one works. But I guess I will have to go to my meeting tomorrow with pink hair because I'm not all about putting all these products in my hair in one night. I'm not about to go back out to the store now. It's late, so that's it. I guess I'm gonna stay bubblegum pink for now until I figure out what will remove this stuff. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. I am Angela That Babe on Instagram. And I am YouTube That Babe on Twitter and Snapchat. Love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye!